So here's my food. I stopped at CJ's real quick. Then I'm gonna take a tour of Village Market, see how it is. But here's how my food's looking like. About to devour it. CJ's Cafe Java's right there. I'm here in Village Market. Looks really nice. I like this area. So y'all can see how everything looks. There's some nice artwork down there. Hey. Still getting used to this camera, but this stuff looks pretty nice. Shops. Here. My little local friend loves these umbrellas. They ready for Halloween out here. Hey. Do you want to go that way or which way you want to go? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's where the CJ's is. CJ's. Alright, Village Market. Let's go. Hey. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, I think we can go. So where to now? Where's that arcade spot? Like you can do the trampoline. Do you know where that is? Okay. Okay, it's not this. Fourth floor. Yeah, because I want to confirm the pricing. I saw online. Yeah, he said fourth. Yeah, I want to confirm the pricing. Because it's supposed to only be 500 shillings. Yeah, it's been a while since I did the trampoline. It's available. Yeah. if they'll let me jump for 20 minutes. Yeah, I want to jump. Oh, they got it's somewhere. It's somewhere. Oh yeah, it's right there, trampoline park. Okay. So we're finally getting to this trampoline park so we can bounce. Cashless. Okay. Let me pull this up. At the trampoline park. Some jumping. See how that goes. At Village Market. Let's take a look at the view. Birthday party. Oh, okay. Yeah, so what do people doing here? Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Alright, I just wanted to check. Thank you. Thank you so much. Where'd you go? Oh. Interesting. It's like nobody's in here. Well, then again, people are probably working. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to do the